Okay, here's a hard top available, possibly sold, but we'll see. It's hard to say if it was gray originally and then painted tan, or if it was tan originally painted gray. Nonetheless, it's actually a clean CJ7. It's an original top. And yeah, I'll go through it with you just so you can see it as if you were here in person, as we do all of our big items that we're shipping and whatnot. So a couple scratches, who knows, probably from tree branches, whatnot, but no structural cracks, or at least nothing I can see. There's a possibility that something was filled in at one time. It's hard to tell, but if they did a decent job on it. It doesn't look oblong or anything like that. It's got obviously some paint issues peeling, and again, I couldn't tell you if it was originally gray or if it's originally tan, or if it wasn't even that at all. It could have been black, who knows. So it's got almost like a mirrored tint to this rear window, which I don't know if that's a factory, something they did. I've seen a black tint. I haven't seen, this is like straight up, like looks like a mirror looking at it. So and it could just be no, it definitely has kind of a mirror tint to it. So that's probably neither here nor there. The latch system works down on the ground right now, so this locks in place. And if I can, let's see, get this guy, should go up here like so. Back gasket, that one's torn a little bit. The struts are in good shape. It's holding itself up, obviously. The lip looks good. No rust in this area. Sometimes they rust out up here. This is nice and clean here. That's our hinge. There's the other hinge there. And let me get up underneath this thing. Man, on the ground isn't the easiest thing as I get older. So we'll get it cleaned up. It's obviously in the dirt right now. So, but it's got a goofy, looks like an interior Harbor Light cheap, some sort of light they stuck up there, probably to get a little bit of light, but the bottom lip is in good shape. They had a aftermarket roll bar on this guy, and it actually wasn't even aftermarket. It was out of a YJ, and that's where you see up there at that front lip, and it's just on both sides there. They've got about a 2.5 inch cutout on both sides of those, but it's still sealed up nice. And if you're gonna put a roll bar in it, that'll cut right around it. Otherwise, you can either repair it or leave it alone. It's not very noticeable. So we price these things accordingly to the condition they're in. So when this one came in, I priced it $850. Obviously, it's plus shipping. And yeah, I've gotten upwards of $1,500 on a mint top. Those sell pretty quick just because they're hard to find. But this one, I would say, is in pretty dang good shape. It's just summertime coming up, tops drop in price a little bit versus wintertime. This is the black one I have that needs a rear hatch on it. Otherwise, and I would be, if you swap the rear hatch out, like that brown one, this hatch here has got some rust on it, so I don't think it's going to be of use to anybody who's doing restoration. But if that hatch works for you on this top, we could do this one. And I probably, see here, this one doesn't have any of the cutouts done on it. This one's a little cleaner on the inside. Back area, other than that back there, doesn't look like there's any structural cracks. So, yeah, I bet they had something mounted on this guy at one time, because there's a couple little dimples in it up here and back here as well. Somebody's filled them in, but so we probably this one at the same price on it, just with the little flaws it has there. But otherwise, that one's real clean too. And that's an aftermarket goofy looking thing. So I think that's it. That's all I got for tops right now. Other than I got probably 4 or 5 out there that are missing hatches. So, and they're not. These are in our better shape ones. So if you're interested in them, give us a holler. 303-666-9020. partsbreakers.com. And if you've seen this video and we end up selling one of these or both of them, still give us a call. This one will be discounted because of the hatch issue. The hatch opens and closes. This one is mounted on a different top. It's one in the back, but this has got rust in it. So somebody's doing restoration work, I would probably steer clear of this. This isn't going to be, but if you're not doing that and you're just trying to get, you know, nice and sealed, that'll work just fine for somebody. And we can put that on either top as well and discount the price of the whole top, probably about $200. So, all right, I appreciate your time. Thank you.